Did you know that herbs are some of the easiest plants to grow at home? Let me show you an easy way how to do it. First, you'll need to buy some seeds of your favorite herbs. I will plant mint, rosemary, basil, oregano, parsley, and chives. When it comes to planting the seed, make sure to check the instruction if your seeds are light or dark germinator. Dark germinators need to be covered with a slight layer of soil. When it comes to the soil, herbs are usually not that picky. But a well-draining soil, which is rich in organic matter, is probably the best choice. Get some pots and fill them with your soil. For the light germinator seeds, I recommend watering the soil before sowing the seeds so they get better contact with the soil. You could even press them slightly down. For the dark germinators, make sure to cover your seeds with a thin layer of soil. For my pots, I like to use labels for each seed so it's easier to tell them apart when they're still small. Now your pots and seeds should look like this. You can pretty much grow any herbs you want like this. Let me know in the comments what kind of seeds you are growing. Make sure to put your pots in a place with enough light. You can grow them outside in the sun or inside in front of a bright window. When it's really cold in your region, growing indoors is probably the better choice. Make sure to water your herbs whenever the soil starts to get dry. After 2 weeks, your first pots should have tiny plants like mine. With a little patience and care, you'll soon can harvest your own herbs. Thank you for watching. Be sure to follow us for our next exciting video.